Bhagavad Gita says, अध्याय 1 अर्जुन विषाद योग चैप्टर 1 अर्जुना's despair धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवा मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय. Dhritarashtra querieth, O Sanjay, what did my war-inclined children do with Pandava brethren who have gathered at the land of religious realm, Kurukshetra? Sanjay उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीक व्यूढ दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Sanjay said, when King Duryodhan saw Pandava's army assembled, he went to Guru Dronacharya and spoke the following words. पश्येता पाण्डुपुत्राणामाचार्य महति चमुम व्यूढा द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता. O Acharya, look at this huge army of Pandavas arrayed for battle by Drupada's son Drushtadhumna, a brilliant student of yours. Atra shura maheshwasa bhimarjun sama yudhi yuyudhano viratasya drupadasya maharatha. Gathered here are the mighty archers and experts in warfare, Virat and the great chariot warrior king Drupad, who are as brave as Arjun and Bhim. Drushtaketushekitana Kashirajasya viryavan Purujit kunti bhojasya shaivasya narapungava. Drishtaketu, Shekitan and the heroic Kashiraj, Purujit, Kunti Bhoj and mighty Shaibya. Yudha Manyusya Vikranta Uttamaujasya Viryavan Saubhadro Draupadeyasya Sarva Eva Maharatha. There are chivalric Yuddhamanyu, the heroic Uttamauja, Subhadra's son Abhimanyu, and all 5 sons of Draupadi, all of whom are great warriors. अस्माक तु विशिष्टा ये तान्नि बौद्ध द्विजोत्तम नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थ तान् ब्रवीमीते. O best of Brahmins, I will mention the names of superior men who are leading my army. Bhavan Bhishmascha, Karnascha, Krupascha, Samitinjaya, Ashwathama Vikarnascha, Somadatti Sthataivacha. You yourself, Bhishma, Karna and victorious Kripacharya, Ashwathama, Vikarna as well as Bhurishrava, the son of Somdatta. अन्ये च बहवः शूरा मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहारणा सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः. And many other heroes who are willing to sacrifice their lives for me, all of whom are battle-hardened soldiers equipped with various weapons. Aparyapta tadasmakam bala bhishmabhirakshitam paryapta tvidametesha bala bhimabhirakshitam. Our army led by Bhishma is impregnable and capable of defeating them, while their army protected by Bhim is insufficient. अयनेषु च सर्वेषु यथा भागमवस्थिता भीष्ममेवाभिरक्षन्तु भवन्तः सर्व एव हि. You must all protect Bhishma Pitamaha along all avenues of approach as you hold your respective positions in the battlefield. तस्य संजनयन् हर्ष कुरु वृद्धा पितामहा सिंहनादन विनद्योचे शंखदद्मो प्रतापवान. To encourage Duryodhan, the gallant Kuru elder Bhishma roared like a lion and blew his conch. तथा शंकाश्च भैर्यश्च पनवानक गोमुखा सहसैवाभ्य हन्यन्त स शब्दस्तुमूलो भवत्. Then all of a sudden, all the conches, kettle drums, cymbals, and horns were sounded. It was a spine-chilling noise. तथा श्वेतैर्हर्यैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितो माधवा पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यो शङ्खो प्रदद्मतु. Lord Krishna and Arjun blew their divine conches while standing on their great chariot yoked with white horses. पांचजन्य ऋषिकेशो देवदत्त धनंजया पौंड्रदद्मो महाशंख भीमकर्मा वृकोदरा. Krishna blew his Panchjanya, Arjun his Devdatta, and Bhimsen of terrible deeds blew the great conch named Poundra. अनंति विजय राजा कुंतीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरा नकुला सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणि पुष्पकौ. Kunti's son King Yudhishthir blew his conch named Ananti Vijay, Nakul blew his Sughosh, and Sahadev blew his Mani Pushpak. काश्यश्च परमेश्वासा शिखंडी च महारथा दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकीश्च पराजिता. Kashiraj the great archer and the great warrior Shikhandi, Drishtadyumna, Virat and the undefeated Satyaki. Drupado Draupadeyascha Sarvashah Prithivipate Saubhadrascha Mahabahu Shankhan Dadmu Prutak Prutak. O Lord, the sons of Drupad and Draupadi all together, as well as the mighty Abhimanyu, blew their own conches. सघोषो धार्तराष्ट्राना हृदयानि व्यदारयत् नभश्च पृथिवी चैव तुमुलो व्यनुनादयन्. The frightening sound made by conches rent the hearts of your sons, resonating through earth and sky. अर्जुन उवाच. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धार्तराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजा प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यम्य पांडवा. Arjun, seeing Dhritarashtra's sons lined up, lifted his bow as the battle was going to commence and spoke these words to Lord Krishna. ऋषिकेश तदा वाक्यमिदमाह महीपते सेनयोरु भयोर्मध्ये रथ स्थापय मेच्युत. O Lord, please station my chariot in the middle of these two armies. यावदेतान् निरीक्ष्येह योद्धुकामा न वस्तितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यमस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. So that I can observe these men standing eager for battle, with whom I must fight in this tense moment. योत्स्यमाना न वेक्षेह य एतेत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर्युद्धे प्रिय चिकीर्षवा. I shall see these men assembled here, ready for battle, who are eager to impress the evil-minded Duryodhan. संजय उवाच. एव मुक्तो ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्. Sanjay said, Lord Krishna stationed their marvelous chariot in the middle of the two armies, as suggested by Arjun. भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुखता सर्वेषाच महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरुनीति. Facing Bhishma, Dronacharya and other kings, Krishna spoke, O Parth, behold the Kauravas assembled for battle. तत्रा पश्य स्थितान् पार्था पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मा तुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् संख्यस्तथा. There Arjuna saw fathers and grandfathers, teachers, uncles, brothers, sons and friends, fathers-in-law, and even allies in both armies standing. Swashuran Suradashaiva Senyoru Bhayorpi Tansamikshasa Kaunteya सर्वान् बन्धूनव स्थितान्. Arjun, deeply saddened by seeing all his relatives arrayed, overcame with the greatest compassion, said this. कृपया परयाविष्टो विषीदत्रिदम ब्रवीत् दृष्टे मम स्वजन कृष्ण युयुत्सु samupasthitam. Arjun said, O Krishna, when I see my family willing and ready to fight me here on this battlefield, sidanti mama gatrani mukhasya parishushati vepatushcha sharire me romaharshascha jayate. My limbs falter, my mouth goes dry, my body is trembling and I am getting goosebumps. गांडीव संस्रते हस्तात्वक्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातु भ्रमतीव च मे मना. My bow Gandiv is sleeping from my grip while my skin is burning. My mind seems to be whirling, so I cannot stand still. निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च श्रेयो न पुष्यामि हत्वा सजन माहवे. O Keshav, I see nothing good achieved by killing my family here in battle. I see only inauspicious omen. न कांक्षे विजय कृष्ण न च राज्य सुखानि च कीनो राज्य न गोविंद की भोगर्जीवितेन वा. O Krishna, I don't desire victory, kingdom or pleasures. What use is a kingdom to me? What use is such a life, Govind? येषामर्थे कांक्षित नो राज्य भोगा सुखानि च त इमे वस्थिता युद्धे प्राणांस्त्यक्त्वा धनानि च. The ones for whom I desire a kingdom, enjoyment and pleasures are standing against us in this battle, giving up their lives and wealth. Acharya pitara putrasthataiva cha pitamaha matula shvashura pautra shala sambandhinastatha. These are all my kinsmen, my teachers, fathers, sons and grandsons, grandfathers, uncles, fathers-in-law and brothers-in-law. एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि घन्तोऽपि मधुसूदन अपि त्रैलोक्यराजस्य हेतो कीनु मही कृते. O Krishna, I don't want to kill these, even if they kill me, even for the kingdom of the three worlds, and even less for the earth. निहत्य धार्तराष्ट्रान्न का प्रीतिः स्याज्जनार्दन पापमेवा श्रयेदस्मान् हत्वैताना ततायिना. O Krishna, what joy would I gain by killing Dhritarashtra's sons? Only evil would fall upon me by killing these malefactors. तास्मान्नार्हा वया हन्तु धार्तराष्ट्रान् स्वबान्धवान् स्वजन ही कथ हत्वा सुखिना श्याम माधव. Therefore, Krishna, I must not kill Dhritarashtra's sons, who are our kinsmen. How could I become happy by killing my own family? यद्यपेते न पश्यन्ति लोभोपहत चेतसा कुलक्षयकृत दोष मित्रद्रोहे च पातकम्. Although these greedy and corrupt people do not see the evilness of destroying the family and the crime in betraying their friends. कथन ज्ञेयमस्माभिः पापादस्मान्निवर्तितुं कुलक्षयकृत दोष प्रपश्यद्भिर्जनार्दन. O Krishna, why shouldn't we, who see the evilness of destroying the family, prevent this from happening? Kulakshaye pranashanti कुलधर्मा सनातना धर्मे नष्टे कुलकृत्सन्मधर्मो विभवत्युत. When lineage is destroyed, lawlessness plagues the entire family. Lawlessness leads to the destruction of the eternal family laws. अधर्मा भीभवात् कृष्ण प्रद्युषन्ति कुलस्त्रिया स्त्रीषु दृष्टासु वार्ष्णेय जायते वर्णसंकरा. When lawlessness prevails, Krishna, the women of the family get corrupted. When the women get corrupted, the classes get confused. Sankaro narakayaiva कुलाज्ञाना कुलस्य च पतन्ति पितरो हैषा लुप्तपिण्डोदक क्रियाः. Confusion leads family and family killers to hell, for their ancestors fall, deprived of their offerings. दोषैरेते कुलाज्ञाना वर्णसंकर कारके उत्साद्यन्ते जाति धर्मा कुलधर्माश्च शाश्वताः. Because of these transgressions of the family killers and confusion of the classes, the eternal lineage and family laws get corrupted. उत्सन्न कुलधर्माना मनुष्याना जनार्दन नरके नियतवासो भवतीत्य नुशुश्रुम. We have heard, Janardhan, that men who have corrupted their lineage reside in hell for eternity. अहो बत महत्पाप कर्तु व्यवसिता वयम यद्राज्य सुखलोभेन हन्तु स्वजनमुद्यता. Alas, despite of being intelligent, we chose to do great evil, killing our family for the sake of pleasures and kingdom. यदि माम प्रतिकारम शस्त्र शस्त्रपानया धार्तराष्ट्रा रणे हन्युस्तन्मे क्षेमतर भवेत. It would be much better if Dhritarashtra's sons kill me, unresisting and unarmed in battle, with their weapons. Sanjay उवाच एव मुक्त्वार्जुना संख्ये रतोपस्थ उपाविशत् विसृज्य शशर चाप शोक संविघ्न मानसा. Sanjay says, with these words, Arjun put his bow and arrows down in the middle of battle and sat down in his chariot, his mind tormented with sorrow. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Supanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvader Junu Vishad Yogo Nama Prathamodhyaya. Here ends the first chapter of Bhagavad Gita, named Arjun Vishad Yoga, Arjuna's despair.